Welcome to CourseTrailers.com. We provide educational information in short video snippets, presenting using Python to interact with the operating system, offered by Google on the Coursera education platform. This course is part of the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate. What you will learn in this course: set up, configure, and use your own developer environment in Python. Manipulate files and processes running on the operating system using Python. Understand and use regular expressions, regex, a powerful tool for processing text files. Know when to choose Bash or Python, and create small scripts using Bash. This course will take you approximately 31 hours to complete and earn your first course diploma. We go in depth into each of the courses that make up this professional certificate in additional videos that you can find below in the links and description area of this video. Be sure to check them out for more information.
Your instructors for this professional certificate will be from Google. Google Career Certificates are part of Grow with Google, an initiative that draws on Google's 20-year history of building products, platforms, and services that help people and businesses grow. Through programs like these, Google aims to help everyone, those who make up the workforce of today and the students who will drive the workforce of tomorrow.
Let's review the publicly available course syllabus. A total of 7 weeks of class make up this course. Your first week will be getting your Python on. In this module, you'll learn about the different types of operating systems and how you can get your Python code ready to interact with the operating system. We'll learn about getting your environment set up and installing additional Python modules that will help you along the way. We'll run down interpreted versus compiled language and how they differ from each other. We'll dive into the benefits of automation and point out common pitfalls so you can avoid them. Finally, we'll learn about QWIC labs, which will be used for graded assessments. Your second week will be managing files with Python. In this module, you'll learn about reading and writing to files and the commands that will enable you to do this. We'll learn the importance of managing files and how we can navigate through different directories. We'll understand how to work with files and how there's a layer of abstraction between Python and the operating system. Finally, we'll dive into learning about CSV files and how to best utilize them. Your third week will be regular expressions. In this module, you'll learn about what a regular expression is and why you would use one. We'll dive into the basics of regular expressions and give examples of wildcards, repetition qualifiers, escapare characters, and more. Next up, we'll explore advanced regular expressions and deep dive on repetition qualifiers. You'll tackle new exercises like capturing groups and extracting PID using regexes. Finally, we'll provide a cheat sheet to serve as your go-to guide for regular expressions. Your fourth week will be managing data and processes. In this module, we'll learn about reading and writing to data files based on an interaction with the user. Along the way, we'll dive into standard streams, environment variables, and command line arguments. Next, we'll jump into Python subprocesses, including system commands and how they can be used. We'll review how to obtain output from a system command and dive into subprocess management, including how to check exit values and manipulate the normal versus error exit values. Finally, we'll run down processing log files, and we'll cover what a log file is, how to filter log files using regular expressions, and how to understand the output captured from log files.
Your fifth week will be testing in Python. In this module, you'll learn how to create tests in Python. We'll cover what testing is all about and dive into the differences between manual versus automated testing. Next, we'll explore what unit tests are intended to do and how to write them. Then we'll learn about other test concepts like black box versus white box tests and how test-driven development can frame how you design and write your code. Finally, you'll learn about errors and exceptions and how to combat them. Your sixth week will be Bash scripting. In this module, you'll be exposed to what the Linux OS has to offer and you'll learn about Bash scripting. We'll go over basic Linux commands and explore the many processes Linux has to offer, including a key concept called redirection. We'll then deep dive into creating bash scripts using variables and globs. Finally, we'll learn about advanced bash concepts and develop an understanding of when to use bash versus Python. And your final 7th week will be the final project. In this module, you'll put everything you've learned so far into action. You'll apply your scripting knowledge to tackle a challenging final project, writing a script that scans for a specific error in the log files. You'll create a problem statement to understand the challenge, conduct some research to see what options are available, then begin planning how you intend to solve the problem. Lastly, you'll write the code to implement your solution.
As you can see here, this is a very highly rated course. There are over 900 reviews, with an average of 4.7 stars out of 5. That should give you great confidence that you will be getting one of the best courses in this area of study.
Start learning today. When you enroll, you will have access to education taught by top companies and universities. Affordable programs. Apply your skills with hands-on projects. Learn on your own schedule. Course videos and readings. Graded quizzes and assignments. No degree or experience required for many programs. Shareable certificate upon completion. Once you complete each course in this professional certificate, you will receive a course certificate. You can share your course certificates in the certification section of your LinkedIn profile and showcase what your hard work earned you. From all of us at CourseTrailers.com, we sincerely hope you found this information helpful. Please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving this video a thumbs up. To learn more about many other online courses, certificates, specializations, and much more, check out our other videos. Enjoy!